How to open YouTube in Google Chrome on mobile. Want to use YouTube without the app? Let's open it in Google Chrome on your mobile step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome, use the search bar and look for youtube.com. And this will take you into the Google Chrome YouTube homepage. You can now browse, search, and sign in with your account. Now, if you want to access the website in desktop mode, what you can do is to go ahead and click on the three dots, which you basically find beside the URL bar. And then under that, you'll find this checkbox desktop site. So the website will then reload and you'd be able to view it in desktop view. And that is how to open YouTube in Google Chrome on mobile.